So today we will try to fix this zipper. So as you can see, this is my side bag which I have used extensively, and its zip is like gone. So should I just replace the bag? Should I replace the zip, or should I try to fix it? I thought I will try to fix it. And the common cause for this issue is the distance between the top and the bottom on this side of the chain, like on the back side of the chain, is increased because of repeated use, because of which it doesn't work. So what we will do is, I will just use this plier and just will try to reduce the distance between them, and hopefully that should fix it. So here I am, let me press it. Okay, this side is pressed. We will try to press this side also. Now the center bit. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's closing here, as you can see, but still at this part it's not working. So let's give it one more try. Okay, this section is still, rest everything is fine. The bag is telling me like, you have used me in rain, in sun, in cold. I won't get fixed that easily. Okay, let me again press it. Let's hope that this time it should solve the problem. Okay, here we go. This side, and I think and the center. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this part is closing fine. At least this problem is solved. But let's see this part. Okay, looks promising, but still this section still not closing. Let's see. Here, till here it's smooth. I think something here is not working fine, but at least this is better than before. I can just stretch it here, and so that the zip just ended here. Let's try this. Definitely something is wrong here. So inside it looks fine, no wear. But here it is not. So from here, starting here, this is filling. Should I press this also? Let's see if that makes any difference. No. Still the same. Looks like this section is worn out or something happened here which is not ready to fix. Okay, it's already been more than 6 minutes. Yeah, so definitely it is helpful. I can still use it, hoping that it doesn't open midway. So I can just put a clip here and that should do the job. So yeah, this was it. That's one way to attempt to fix it, but it's not 100% guarantee that the problem would be solved. As you saw in my case, it's partially solved. After multiple failed attempts, what I did was I just bought this candle because I learned that these candles are good lubricant and I just applied on the chain. Definitely it doesn't looks that good, but guess what? The problem which we had on this portion is solved. So it's much smooth now. So what you have to do is you just have to take a candle. I took a white one just to ensure that nothing is mixed, and just rub it against the chain. So this is like greasing the chain. I may not be correct but yeah, but definitely it helped a lot. Okay, so you can just do it properly on one side like this, and then you just reverse it and do the same here on the other side also. Okay, so now if you see this portion which was not working earlier, yeah, it's fine. The chain is good to go. So you can just do it multiple times just to ensure that the wax is evenly spread. Okay, so isn't it interesting? A simple candle can do a simple candle, and this plier can fix your zipper. It took more time definitely than I initially assumed, but I'm happy that the work is done and I'm ready to use this bag again.